Hello everyone. Good morning. This is Sir Prakash presenting you from E-Class Time. Dear students, this is the continuation of Snowflake's first chapter, class 6. Dr. Dolittle has money trouble. And this is the third part, third part of the chapter. First and second part is with him. Now, as soon as the animal crocodile stayed with him, there started the problem. Twist. Okay, what were the problems? See friends, we know when he started treating, after a year, the doctor's name was spreading everywhere. Animals from all the directions were coming and taking treatment from him, and thereby doctor's sister Sarah was earning so much of money. She was happy because she was getting so much of money. All right. And what had happened, since they were getting more money, they were more happy. Now, when the crocodile was kept in his house, okay, the people in the nearby places started fearing. Like old lady says, lap dog. Okay, lap dog means the small dog which can be kept in the lap. Okay, so lap dogs, the older ladies were afraid to send the lap dogs to the doctor for treatment. Who knows, the crocodile may eat the dog. Okay, that was their fear. Even the farmers were afraid to send their lamb and the calf. Lamb means the young sheep, okay, and the calf means the young cow. Okay, they were afraid to bring those for treatment. Who knows, the crocodile may eat. And since people were afraid, they were not bringing their animals, so indirectly they were not getting money more. Their income was going down. They are not getting money, people are not coming. So Sarah was very much angry. Because of this crocodile, we are not getting money. So on a fine day, Sarah comes to the doctor and says, send the alligator away from here. She uses the word alligator. Alligator also is an animal. Okay, but the doctor says, this is not alligator. Okay, this is crocodile. Then the sister says, whatever, you send it to Africa. Now, why to Africa, to this crocodile? Dear friends, Africa is a place where these crocodiles are found mostly. Of course, it is found in our places also, but in Africa, it is found most. The reason why, because this crocodile likes to stay near the water. Okay, in a wetty land, the land which is very wet, not dry land or riverside Africa. Otherwise, she gives one condition: if you don't send the crocodile, I will leave the house. Okay, I will leave the house, I will go and get married. That was the condition. Okay, that was the condition given by doctor's sister. Now doctor was so kind hearted about the animals, no, she got wild. You may go. Okay, you may pack up and you may go, but do whatever you like. And with that, story is over. See, the doctor's sister packed up and she went away. Doctor was all alone at home with the animals. Of course, he had only the animals, but he had one sister. She also went away from there. Now doctor was little worried about it because he was alone. Okay, fine. Now days went on. Only the doctor and the animals. Days went on. People stopped coming. Animals stopped coming. Other animals which were brought by the people, they stopped. So earning the money they were getting also stopped. Okay, their money was almost getting over. Slowly, the trouble started. Okay, what trouble started? Let's see. Okay, in the paragraph we hear the parrot. Okay, there is a parrot. Okay, and the parrot is whispering. Sorry, not the parrot. Prior to that, we see one owl which is known as Tutu. The name of the owl is Tutu. Tutu is whispering or telling to others like,
there are only little meal. Meal means food. Okay, only little food is there to eat, and that also will get over very soon. After that, what shall we do?
now parrot, okay, which is no parrot which is staying with the doctor, gives a suggestion. Why not that we do our own works instead of bringing other people from outside to work here? We shall do the work, and we can, that way we can save some money for the doctor. After all, he is trying to save us, he is trying to feed us. Okay, that was the planning for the from the part of the parrot. Then all the other animals said, yes, we shall work. Okay, now they divided the work. Like what was the work they gave? For cooking, for making the food, it was monkey. Chi-Chi, no? Chi-Chi took the charge. Chi-Chi told, okay, I shall be doing the cooking. So monkey started cooking. Dog was there. Dog took the charge for cleaning and mopping, sweeping the houses. That also is very important. Keep the house clean. So dog started doing that. Duck. Okay. Duck said, oh, fine. In that case, I shall go and make the beds, arrange the beds. Okay. So duck started arranging the bed. Now Tutu, the owl. What did the owl do? Owl said, I will keep the accounting. All the accounting. Who is doing or how much money is being spent, where the money is coming from, all this accounting they started doing. And since this parrot who suggested that we shall work was very old, the parrot was the oldest one, the word used oldest. Okay. The name of the parrot is for Polynesia. Okay, Polynesia, that is the name of the parrot, and this parrot was the oldest one. So parrot told, okay, fine, I shall be housekeeper and laundress. Laundress means one who washes the clothes and irons the clothes and keeps nicely. That was the work for the parrot. Dear friends, before so this is more or less they divided the work and they continued doing the work. Now what are the works apart from cleaning the houses? Okay, apart from cleaning the houses, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes and cooking, what else they did? They even started cultivating. Okay, they started cultivating vegetables, flowers, and not merely for their eating. To get some more money, they put up a stall outside near the gate. Okay, what is this stall? Stall is a standing dukan. Okay, shop, standing one. You might have seen in your marketplaces also when you go for the fast food. Okay, one table is kept. Okay, sometimes maybe wheel also will be there. Okay, that can be ported anywhere. Table which can be lifted easily, stall. Okay, for the fruit sellers also sometimes simply they sit in the road, that is stall. Started selling the vegetable. One vegetable is mentioned, radish. Okay, the radish and roses, they were selling it, but even then that money was not sufficient for them. The money they were getting from there was not sufficient because there were so many in number. Okay, so not sufficient. And on a fine day, the doctor was informed that even the fishmonger was not willing to give the fish. Who is this fishmonger? Dear friends, when a person is staying in the shop and selling something, we call him shopkeeper. Yes or no? But a person, one who is selling fish, we call him monger. Okay, that is the word we use for a person, one who sells the fish. Now, going ahead, what happens when it was informed that the fish is being not given? Okay, the person is denying to give the fish. The doctor said, don't worry, we have milks, we have eggs, so we shall feed ourselves with milks and eggs. That was the planning from the part of doctor. It was like, you don't fuse. Okay, don't get panic, don't be worried, don't be in tension. That is what the doctor was telling. And moreover, he was telling like winter is far to come, winter season. Dear friend, there are 4 seasons, okay, that we experience. Okay, the starting with spring, summer, autumn, then winter. The last one we experience is winter. Winter is very cold place, a cold time. Okay, so the doctor is telling like winter is very very far, don't worry. Now why is he speaking about winter? Because in winter we in that place snow falls. When there is snowfall, almost everything is being covered up. Sometimes people need to stay inside the door, they can't even go out. So for that reason they'll have to keep the food ready, they'll have to keep the firewood ready. And one thing is mentioned there, that the horse also went, the horse with the doctor went and hull means pulling, started pulling the firewood, storing the firewood, so that when the winter comes there is no problem for them. They can simply take the firewood of their own and burn from there. Okay, but even if the horse had pulled so much of firewood, that year what had happened, winter came little early and poor people, they suffered. Okay, the firewood was not sufficient. Why not sufficient? Because they need to burn every day so much of firewood. They were big in number. Okay, so much of firewood was required, and the food what they had accumulated, collected also was not sufficient, because so many need to be fed, so many need to eat together. So this is the problem they had. Dear friends, this is what the chapter is all about. Now the assignments or the questions that you may prepare of your own is like, make the list of the vegetables which you know or which you eat. Another thing, make the list of the different animals mentioned in the chapter. Make the list of different animals mentioned in the chapter. Okay, that's all dear friends. Stay in, stay safe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.